some bangers. Subscribe, like, and turn on your post notifications.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're about to style and mold my hair, just a little touch up. So I'm going in with some leave-in conditioner, and yes, I did cut the rest of my hair in the back. My hair did started to break out in the middle part in my soft spot, but which is the reason why I cut it so short. But basically, child, I feel like I need a relaxer on the sides of my hair, but this is why I'm molding it, so I can stretch out my relaxing. So I'm going in, of course, with the all-time favorite, the black gel. I like to call it the black brown gel. I just put a little bit on there because I already had some on before. So just put on a little bit, clean up around my edges to make them look a little bit more nice and sleek. Get my brush. That one is a more soft brush. I do have a hard brush, but yeah. So I need to lay down my sides. So of course I'm putting some gel on the sides. Of course, that's the whole purpose of me molding my hair. I would have went in with some mousse, but I didn't have any. And the mousse is not going to really lay down my hair the way I want it to unless I put gel on it, being that my new growth is starting to come in. And for those who do not know, I am actually 3 weeks post relax. I did want to get a relaxer around my 4th week, but I'm going to stretch it out and wait until my 5th week. But I'm only going to do a partial, which means I'm only going to do my sides and my back, and then I'm going to leave the top part of my hair alone because it still does not look like I need a relaxer. It's only showing where my hair is really, really short, which is on the sides and back. So here I'm just going in with some edge control. And child, the beautiful thing about being relaxed is that I can actually use any kind of edge control and my edges will lay. You don't know how many edge controls I have in my house, how much money I've spent, and I still got some of those edge controls in my drawer right now, and I'm just using what I have. Thank you, Lord, that I did not have to go out and buy any edge control. So I'm just, tapering up a little bit, making it a little bit more nice and sleek, and just giving it a little more design so it's not just, plastered down to my head, just straight flat. Give a little bit of design. So now I'm going to tie my hair up, and one of the things I like about being relaxed is that it doesn't take that long to have my hair air dry. So closer to the end, if you keep watching, you will see. Right here I'm dancing because my daughter's playing Missy Elliott and Sierra theme song. But yeah, Lose Control, I believe is what it's called. So I don't know why the color looks like this, but I'm getting ready to show you just a little clip. So if you made it to the end of this video, honey, thank you so much for watching, and thank you to all of my new subscribers. I really appreciate y'all. Y'all are all gorgeous, and I thank you for watching my videos. Make sure you are watching all of my Vlogtober, because London and I are vlogging this whole entire month, but of course for the past 2 days, it's just been myself. Child, the content is getting real here. But anywho, thank you so much for watching. And this is what the back looks like. And I'm going to tie my hair back up before I get ready to leave out. So, bye, gorgeous.